for continued practice. And basically what we have is a B and a G. And it is the right, do I have the right one for this? Okay, so it's that one. And it's perfect. And it's going to be that again. And then we stay on B there. And the bottom one goes down to F. But we're going to actually change this one there. Okay, so let's see here. That's what I want. And then we have an F and an E, and we're still in that. And we'll adjust that later. So then we have to change the value of the notes to that. And then we have a D and a C. And that looks good for now. Then we hit exit. So that's the top voice. Now we're going to do the bottom voice. So let's see here. We have a D and we have a G. Now I'm going to have to fudge this, but it's okay. Am I right value? I am not in the right value. So I have to go back to this guy. That now is the right value. So I said, sorry, we are a D and a G. And that G goes up to an A, and that's right. And then we're at D again, and this time it's going to B. And that's right, except I've got to change it later. And that's going up to an E. Cool. And then we have a D. How am I going to do this? D and D. Okay, we're just going to do it the right way, basically. And that is what it's going to be in the end. And then we have E. We have an E. E and a G. E and a G. Is that right? Oh yeah, E and a G. Sorry, my brain is frying out now. My brain is frying out. Then we have an F and an A. And we're going up to a, is that a B? That's a B. Cool. And it's all there correctly. Hit escape. We have just got to change the voices. And so actually, should I bring in the key signature? So 2 flats are of course, 2 flats is B flat minor. So there we go for that. Okay. Now this voice, option 2, that is correct. This guy is going to be option 2, and that is correct. These two, I hit command to hold them both down, and I'm going to hit, that is correct. Then this gets really interesting here. This, and this are the same voice. I wonder what would happen if I actually, and that is exactly right. Perfect. Good stuff. So now this guy is the wrong value. So we hit number 4 and he is now the right value. This guy's the wrong value. We hit number 4 and he is now the correct value. It looks good. So now these are wrong. All these, so we hold these, wrong octave I mean. And let's see, and then hit command, arrow down to go an octave down, and that looks good now. And then as far as these go, that's correct. These two are not correct at all. I don't know what happened there, but let's go. Anyway, now it's correct. This little keyboard does not have all the octaves, and I'm only using my left hand while I'm operating the keyboard, so that's why it's hard to do both at the same time to get the right notes in there. Anyway, that looks good now, and this guy goes up here, and of course we are going to change a lot of stuff now. Hit option 2, and that is totally wrong, I think. Option 4, and I'm gonna do, what should I do? Let's see here. No, we want these two to be the same. And that's perfect. We want these two, command, to be the same. And we do go to option 2. And that is wrong because we don't want them to be in the same. Yeah, we want that. We want these two separated. And finally we got these two. These two are the same voice. So let's hit command option. That is correct. And this guy is separated. So command option down. And these two shift. Oops. We hit command to select both. And these two are the same voice. So that's, nope, we do not want that. We want that. And that's perfect. And are we right on everything? We've got to check it carefully. I think we're right on everything. And we just got to, this is not a flat sign. And this is a natural, which is 7. And then we have the rest. This is not a natural. So that's 7. Oh my God. Then this becomes a natural. 7. And then that becomes a natural. This is really weird. This is why I need the practice. That's weird. That guy is not a natural. And we're moving everything down the line here. Anyway. No, we don't want double flats. How the heck do I get rid of that guy? Delete it. Yes, that's good. And then these two. And these are good. And then this is good. And that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Except for value. So what we want to do is hit that. And is that correct? I think it's correct. Oh, the value is wrong on this guy. So we go to this guy. We hit number 4. And I think we're good to go. Okay. And there I see how it sounds. Oops, we're missing 1. This is actually a natural sign according to this. And that's the only, and this is not a natural sign. I'm sorry, this is taking a long time. That is not a natural sign. I think we're good now. Yeah. It looks good to me. And should we hear it? Let's give it a shot. Play. Yeah, I guess it's good. Hope it sounds cool. Does it sound good to you? Any feedback? That would be welcome. We hit Command K and we have a G minor. Next we will have, it's 2 G minors in a row, so skip that one. I will have to move this. This is B. I don't know if I write flat. It does not show up as flat. Huh. How do you do a flat sign? You hit Control. There's no symbol for flat. I'm going to have to enter a flat sign manually. And that's there, by the way. And then there's an E flat in here. So let's do that. Command K. And we got an E flat in there. And I'll put the flat in later. And then, oh boy, we have this is a really interesting one. Non-functional. Non-functional. Command K. Non-functional F7. And I will skip the brackets. I'm just telling you it's non-functional. And then we have a non-functional B flat. And I've got to put in lots of flat signs. So G minor again, B flat. So what we're going to do is, there's many ways to do this, I guess. I guess we're just going to go to Roman numeral and put them in. Well, let's put it, you hit this guy and there's a flat sign. So we're at E, B flat. Cool. I guess we can copy and paste. Copy, paste. We got 2 of them. Yes, we do. And we have an E flat in there. I guess that's a faster method of doing that. F7 non-functional, B flat again. So we copy paste and we put this guy here. And how is that? That is good, I think. Now the Roman numerals at the bottom. So gotta go here, I gotta go here. It's too way far down, but let's see here. 6 chord, and they're going to a 6/6 chord, a 1/6 chord, 1/4 chord. Oh, this is interesting. Now we got 1, and we got a 7/6 and 3/4 suspension. So let's do that. Does that look good? Lined up right, lined up right, lined up right. Okay, so in this case, we're going to go up to tiny text, and we're going to hit 7/6, and I wonder, I can go right underneath. Good. 3/4. Isn't it supposed to be 4/3? That's weird. 3/4, but that's what it says here. I could not analyze this myself at this point, but I think that's good. 7/6 3/4. Let's hear it again. Yeah, cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Tell me if there's any mistakes, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.